Hi, so it's day 32nd of the series, and starting off strong with 9:30 p.m. It has been a game changer because the salmon has finally completed. And here's my Mehendi. My youngest sister tried to make it. Now I look at it, it's not that bad. But I ended up just scolding her, and I was just making faces like how long it will take, why it's not good, there's mess out here and there. But if you have ever applied henna or mehendi like this, you know that it's gonna be messy. But it's always like someone is putting effort as well. And I don't know what is happening with me, but these days I find myself being so pissed off with the environment I am in. Maybe it's a family thing, maybe it's the circumstances I'm in, but I will tell you what I am feeling these days. I'm feeling that a lot in this my life these days, or on my days I feel my angers are just not in the right directions it should be. So if I'm just angry about something else, it just shows up in everything, and what's left is just more and more anger within me. I know anger is just you meditate or whatever. I just can't. It's just simple that if someone is doing something for me, I feel like that. Okay, I'm just feeling so itchy. Oh my god, wait. So yeah, now this is so real because I just can't, because this is the main goal of this 3 minute series, that I can just not pause. I have to make it, and I can just not press the button quickly. Now coming back to the point of like how my angers are circulated within this, because maybe I was angry on certain things, but I just got so fed up with just this process with him. Now I just look back, I feel like okay, she also invested some quality time, and she was just being so generous as well. But I don't know what happened that my paper thin patience could not wait no longer. Okay, I'm so angry with the people right now because maybe it's the last part of healing, you can say. Maybe this is the time where I'm actually very, 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 very far from what I actually want my life to be. And the people, the food, the vibes, the clothes, the like lifestyle, the day in my life, what I am seeing these days without the filters, it's just not amazing. Okay, I just can't fake it. Obviously I enjoyed it. It was Raksha Bandhan, I enjoyed it. I feel so fortunate because maybe somewhere, if you are saying this, you might not be the person who have celebrated it. I appreciate it, but no longer if I'm just not feeling myself. Okay, I appreciate it because it's happening, but not with myself. And it have been happening from my last birthday only. Okay, I was just seeing few pictures there. I could see that I was not